Welcome back, everyone. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on making your kick pattern and exporting it the proper way so you have quick access to it and you don't have to keep recreating the same kick pattern over and over. Save yourself some time. All right. So really quick. I'm sorry. We'll just start with your basics. So I'm using a schematics folder, um, and it's available on their website. So let's just get into it quick. You want to set your claps. Make sure everything's on tempo. So this one here. So what I would do is probably like a little more realistic, you know. So we'll go. Oh, actually, yeah. What's this? A snare. You can just copy the snare. And percussion. Actually, it's another hi-hat, so this one will probably just make it go. It's a ride. Oops, it goes there. Alright, so let's just say that's your kick pattern that you want to go ahead and keep. Just for tutorial's sake. Oops. Toot. One. Oops. That's a D-toot. That makes sense. D-toot. D-tutorial one. So anyway, let's keep going. And just to make sure it doesn't sound too crazy, oh look, that's right, I have it here. We can add this pattern to our playlist. Alright, we have a sample here of some hi-hats. Yeah, so time stretch that and put it at 4 bars. Actually, it's supposed to be 2 bars. Alright, so you got your kick pattern, right? Make sure everything's sent to the mixer. Save. And what you do is you're going to export wave file. And projects right here, we'll just put it under drum kits. You know what? Where is the other drum kits? Boom, right there. So we'll put this here as a drum kit for D-tooth one. Alright, and whoops, you know what? I almost messed up. You make a new folder, sorry. And you're going to name it that in the new folder. And it's going in there, all the files. Because you're going to split mixer tracks, 24-bit stereo, 512-bit, which is the highest available. If your computer can't take it, then of course go lower. I like as high as it can go. I like to save the playlist markers, save loop markers, split mixer tracks again, make sure. Alright, and you just hit start. Make sure everything's in wave, full song, cut remainder just in case. I'm just gonna do that. And now, we'll refresh this folder. And now it's in here, if you can see. Everything's in there, which was selected, but this is the whole kick pattern. You can throw these away. You can go into the folder trash current and trash master. And now you have that whole kick pattern right here. Rename it however you want, but now from now on, anytime you open a project, you can put whatever template you want, obviously. You'll just drag these over and you got your whole kick pattern ready to go. All you have to worry about is your melodies. Play some melodies, whatever, you know, drop some loops in there, blah blah blah. So that's the pattern now. Okay. Everything's there. Let's just grab some samples. Let's grab a sample just to show you how quick it is. It's really quick when you're prepared. Again. I don't know, I'm just picking whatever, like, just to show you whatever. Let's go here. Whatever. Oh, cool. It's nice and extended. So I always like when they don't just come out right in time, because I'm able to show you what you have to do. Time stretch, and since this one, look, you see it's at 10. I love them when they're like that because it's a challenge. Boom, we're going to 8, remove DC, bring the volume down. Come on, man, stop playing, stop playing. See how these niggas getting rich on it in the industry? We're at 8 minutes, man. Stop playing with me. And that's it. Of course, you know, it's a loop. But you'll come over, if you're smart, you add your own instruments, you know, you play your own stuff over it. By the time you know it, that sample's gone, or it's disappeared in the back somewhere, because you've already added your own original instruments or instrumentation. But that's where you know, you give it that feeling. Octane, again, if you don't own it, make sure you purchase a copy. Same thing with FL Studio. If you don't own FL, I advise you to get a legal copy of it. It's only for your best interest. So really quick, I was trying to keep it under 10 minutes. We're already 9. Oops. But this is just I wanted to show you how quick it is when you're prepared. Or, you know, it takes a little time to get prepared, but once you're prepared, that's it. You take off. Take off season. So let's put some bass in there. crappy headset, so please bear with me with the bass. But I hope you can hear everything. Let's make sure that's right. Yeah. Cool. So let's play. Bring that down. I like it without it. Actually, it's that one. That's why. It's that note. It's that little guy right there. There you go. There you have it. A nice foundation in under 15 minutes, under 10 minutes, under 30 minutes. And you just gotta be smart about mixing, learning it. But I can teach you that in another one. So hope you enjoy, and I hope you make great music and help each other out. Music's supposed to unite us, not divide us. Remember that. So another tutorial. Again, quick. We made the kick pattern. We prepared for it. Save that. Control S, Command S on Mac. If you're on Mac, always do that every 15 seconds, every 30 seconds, whenever you get a chance. I mean, it's best. But if you prepare yourself and you get these kick patterns that you like, that are your own, and you put them in your own folder, you'll be able to always go to them really quick, open them up, throw them in there on a new project, and then just focus more on the melody, the bass, and get the writing. If you're an artist and you make your own beats, get the writing, create the track, and then come back and do all the drops and all that good stuff. Polish it later. Focus more on being artistic while you have the feeling and you have the mood, going and all the juices flowing. Because once it's gone, everyone that as a musician, as an artist, you get that writer's block, you get that little block, and it's gonna happen once in a while. We all live through life, so things happen. So before that happens, take advantage of all that creativity you have in your brain at the moment and write, create great music. And again, unite each other. Work, 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 work. If you don't work, you are going to find yourself in a bad place. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope it helps y'all. It's Don G signing out. Yeah, have a good one.